What do you enjoy doing when you have free time? Do you like reading books, listening to music, drawing, or taking photos? Hobbies can help us relax, feel peaceful, and enjoy life a little more. Relax and learn with me. Hi everyone, welcome back to English Garden by May. I'm May. In this channel, we learn English slowly and naturally, like a peaceful conversation with a friend. Today's topic is talking about hobbies and free time. In this lesson, you will learn how to talk about your hobbies, how to ask questions naturally, useful expressions for daily conversation, easy listening and speaking practice. Now, let's listen to a calm and natural English conversation. Hi, Tom. What are you doing?
Hi, May. I'm reading a book.
Oh, really? You like reading?
Yeah, I read almost every night before bed.
That's a wonderful habit.
It helps me relax after a busy day.
What kind of books do you usually read?
Mostly mystery novels and travel stories.
Travel stories sound interesting.
Yeah, they make me feel like I'm visiting new places.
That's true. Books can take us anywhere.
Exactly.
Do you have a favorite book?
Yes. There's one book about a man traveling alone around Europe.
Oh, that sounds peaceful.
It really is. The writing is simple and calming.
I like stories like that too.
What about you, May? What do you do in your free time?
I enjoy drawing and listening to music.
Really? What kind of music do you like?
Mostly soft piano music and relaxing songs.
That matches your personality.
Maybe.
Do you listen to music while drawing?
Yes, almost always.
That sounds very relaxing.
It is. Drawing helps me feel calm.
What do you usually draw?
Flowers, small cafes, quiet streets, and nature scenes.
Wow, your drawings must be beautiful.
Thank you.
How long have you been drawing?
Since I was a child.
Really? Then you must be very good at it.
I'm still learning little by little.
I think hobbies are nice because there's no pressure.
Exactly. You can simply enjoy them.
I want to try a new hobby too.
Really? What are you interested in?
Maybe photography.
Oh, photography is wonderful.
But I'm not very good at taking pictures.
That's okay. Nobody is perfect at the beginning.
You're right.
You can start with simple things.
Like what?
Maybe sunsets, coffee cups, flowers, or rainy streets.
That actually sounds fun.
Photography helps you notice small, beautiful things.
I like that idea.
Sometimes we forget to slow down and enjoy life.
Yeah, life feels busy all the time.
That's why hobbies are important.
Do you think hobbies can reduce stress?
Definitely.
Really?
Yes, when people do something they enjoy, they often feel calmer and happier.
That makes sense.
Even simple hobbies can help a lot.
Like reading, drawing, or gardening.
Exactly.
Actually, I've always wanted to learn gardening.
Really? That's perfect for English garden.
Yes,
Plants teach patience.
I probably need more patience.
We all do sometimes.
Do you have any other hobbies?
I also enjoy baking sometimes.
Oh, really? What do you bake?
Mostly cookies and small cakes.
That sounds delicious.
It's fun, especially on rainy days.
Rainy days make me want to stay inside and watch movies.
That can be relaxing too. What about exercise? Is that a hobby?
Of course, many people enjoy walking, yoga, dancing, or cycling. I want to start walking more in the evenings.
Even a short walk can help your mind relax.
You always give peaceful advice.
Thank you.
I think I spend too much time on my phone.
A lot of people do these days.
Maybe I should spend more time doing real hobbies.
That sounds like a good idea.
I think photography might be a good start.
Yes, and you can enjoy the little moments around you.
I'll try taking some photos this weekend.
Wonderful.
Maybe I can show you my pictures later.
I'd love to see them.
Thanks, May.
You're welcome. That was a conversation about hobbies and free time. Let's learn some useful expressions. Free time. Time when you are not busy with work or school. Example. What do you do in your free time? What kind of? A natural way to ask about types or categories. Example. What kind of music do you like? I enjoy. A soft and natural way to talk about hobbies. Example. I enjoy drawing and listening to music. Reduce stress. To help someone feel calmer and less worried. Example. Hobbies can reduce stress. Little by little. Slowly over time. Example. I'm learning little by little. Now repeat after me, slowly and clearly. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope this conversation helped you practice listening, speaking, and natural English expressions. Remember, hobbies are not just activities. They help us relax, grow, and enjoy the small, beautiful moments in life. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe to English Garden by May. And tell me in the comments, what is your favorite hobby? I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.